Hi everybody, I am Parveen and you are watching my channel Spreading Knowledge. In today's video, I will share with you one of the most important topic, that is citizenship. In that, I will try to explain the meaning and types of citizenship in a very short and simple manner. Friends, it is relevant for an individual to live in a political community, that is state. And when we talk about the state, citizenship is important part of that state. So let's begin the topic. So first we take meaning of the word citizenship. We know that citizenship belongs to citizens. So what is this citizenship? Citizenship is a legal status that means a person has a right to live in a state and that particular state cannot refuse a citizen to entry or deport. So, for better understanding of the word citizen, we can describe the meaning of the citizenship in three different phases. That is, literal meaning of citizenship, ancient or olden days meaning of citizenship, and the third one is meaning of citizenship in present contemporary days or as far as the today's welfare state are concerned. So take one by one. First, the literal meaning of the word citizenship. According to literal meaning of citizenship, citizenship means a person who lives in a town or cities, because we know that in that days states were called as town or city states. So people who used to live in that city states were called as citizens. So this is the literal meaning of the term citizenship. It according to which the people who lived in town or cities are called as the citizens. So second meaning of the term citizenship is in ancient days. Regarding to this, we know that political science was first came into exist in the Greek city-states, and that Greek city-states were consisted of so many small city-states like Athens, Sparta, and Olympia. So the upper class of that city-state people are used to participate in the administration and helped in the administration. So only those people who were helped in the administration of that state at that time, they were used to call as the citizen. See here one thing is important to note that friends, those time or in those times women were not called as the citizens because they did not participate in any kind of administrative work and help. So this is the second phase or the meaning of the term citizenship. So now the third meaning of the term citizenship of modern states. Friends, according to this stage of citizenship, the word citizenship means a citizen is one who has political and social rights by the state and at the same time who fulfills his duties within the framework of law. So in today's welfare state, citizens means not only he or she enjoys the rights but also he or she performs the duties. So now we move on to the next aspect of our topic, that is types of citizenship. Friends, broadly we can categorize the types of citizenship in like manner. That is first one, citizenship by birth, citizenship by marriage, citizenship by registration, and citizenship by honorary conferment. So first we take the citizenship by birth. So, if we tells about the citizenship by birth, the title itself tells the meaning of this type of citizenship. That it is a situation when an individual is born in a country or the parents who are citizens of that country, he becomes a citizen by birth itself. So, that is the first type of citizenship. Now, second, citizenship by marriage. It is one of the type of citizenship where marriage is a platform that allows foreigners to become not just a permanent citizen but also gain full citizenship rights when they legally marry a permanent resident, that is PR or citizen of that state. So friends, citizenship of marriage sometimes referred to as a green card marriage or citizenship by naturalization. This is the second type of citizenship. So now the third one, citizenship that is through registration. If a person is of an Indian origin who is commonly a residence of India for 7 years before making an application for registration. If a person is married to a person of Indian citizenship and is commonly residing in India for 7 years before making the application for registration. If that person fulfill the rules, he becomes citizen. In one sentence, if we want to give this type of citizenship, means it is a citizenship we can get by registering our name. And now shall we move on to the fourth type of citizenship, that is the honorary conferment citizenship. This is also a type of citizenship in which person get a citizenship as a honor. An honorary citizen is non-land owning and non-voting citizen. This citizenship confirmed to a foreigner by another country, probably because the recipient has distinguished himself in a manner commendable to the awarding country. So this is all about today's video, that is meaning and types of any citizenship. So friends, in my next video I will share with you the types of citizenship pertaining to citizens of India, and I will also discuss the standard requirements for naturalization of marriage is concerned. In this regard, the world three most popular countries contributing a lot for providing naturalized citizenship is concerned. Bye friends, see you soon in my next video relating to Indian citizenship. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye friends.